guys!
Hey!
So last time we made a toner, Nora totally hogged it all, took it home, and has been using it this entire time. And she's been telling me how amazing it is, and I have FOMO.
Ani became a hater, of
yeah.
course.
So
she's like, I'm gonna make my own.
Yeah, we're gonna make our own toner today, and I'm gonna take it home, and she can't have any.
Whatever, I still have half of the bottle left from the other one.
So today we're going to be making a rose essential oil toner, which is going to be really amazing. It's going to be so good for your skin, and it's going to smell
good.
Lovely. So we're going to take some witch hazel, and we're going to do about 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. And you can scale these proportions based on how big your container is.
Exactly.
And we're going to do 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You're ready to whisk, aren't you?
Oh my god, I'm so ready. This actually looks like a really cool toner.
And we're gonna add some essential oil. We love rose essential oil, and we don't mind the smell at all. So we're gonna do about 8 to 10 drops of rose essential oil.
What's cool about these toners, like different kinds of toners that we make, you guys, is you literally make it, you can put it in your purse. I always apply it before I put my makeup on.
Yeah.
Like before I start my makeup, I apply one of our toners, and it just like refreshes you. I always have it with me in my purse. And you don't really need to...
She took the whole thing, you guys.
You don't really need to go out and spend money and buy these things if you have these ingredients at home. It's literally not worth it.
These toners are really expensive. They're like $50 to $100, and I'm like, okay, I really like the way it smells, but like, I don't know if it's worth it.
Yeah.
Our mixture's a little bit thick, so we're gonna add a little more witch hazel, and that's a nice thing about this DIY is you really can customize it. You can also make it a little bit thicker if you want to keep it in a form where you can put it like a gel form, so you can apply it with a balm. Or if you're going to put it in like an actual spray bottle, so you can spray it on your face, you can make it a little bit thinner.
Basically, it depends what you want to use this for. So I have 2 kinds of toners at home. I always have the spray.
Yeah.
Where it's just full liquid, and then I have one I use right before I go to bed, before I start my nighttime routine. After I wash my face, like I come out of the shower, I wash my face, I start my nighttime routine with a toner, and that one I like to have a thicker consistency.
I'm gonna add more rose oil because I
do it. You do you, girl. You do you.
And like I said, fully customized little situation here. Okay, we are ready. So
wait, I'm gonna use this version.
Nora's gonna do it in a balm.
Smells really good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna thin it out a tiny bit more and put it in a spray bottle.
And you don't realize the importance of a toner until you think you have clean skin. And you use a toner, and then it's dark. You're like, damn it! Thought I washed my face twice.
Look at this.
You'll have it for Mykonos.
Oh my god.
You're ready.
Okay. Your skin. No, it's mine. Fine. Close your eyes. You guys, how easy was that? And it's so expensive in stores, and now you can save a ton of money by making this version. Woohoo!
Yay!
Hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Leave us some suggestions for other DIYs you guys want us to do. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!